In this video, we're going to learn how to disable a node, and that can help with preventing it from being processed if it's either not working, or if it's a costly node to run, or it's time consuming, or you think it might be causing problems or something like that. So let's get straight into it. Here is our existing workflow, and when we execute it, the whole thing runs quite smoothly and all of the nodes become green. If we clear that execution, now this fourth node, the code node, we're going to disable it by clicking on the three dots in the top right-hand corner of the node, and there's a menu option that says deactivate. When we click on that, you can see that it's become grayed out, so it's changed color, and you can see that the arrow flows through the node and continues on its path. Here it's actually continuing in the loop. So it's going to bypass this node, but the rest of the workflow will run correctly. So when we run this again, these three nodes will still run normally and become green. This one, the fourth one, will not. Let's execute now. Okay, so you can see that this node has been disabled, it's been bypassed, nothing has gone in, and so therefore the workflow has gone around this particular node. To re-enable that node, we simply go up to the three dots again and we activate. So it is no longer disabled, and when we run it again, this final fourth box will also become green. There you go. You have now disabled a node. If you like this, please like and subscribe.